Hi, you are at Usitility, gamer's favorite channel. In this particular video tutorial, you'll discover a super easy trick to enjoy your favorite Three Kingdoms Overlord game on a big screen, including computer or laptop. No need to stick your eyes on a small display, but it is the time to relax and play Three Kingdoms Overlord on PC. Keep viewing the video tutorial to ensure you not skip any part. Now we should get it done. A website link has been provided in the video description or the first pinned comment. If you want to view the URL clearly, here it is. This is the URL of this game in BlueStacks. BlueStacks is a software to set up any kind of Android game on the laptop, therefore, we are going to install Three Kingdoms Overlord this way. BlueStacks works like an emulator, and using a mouse and keyboard, you possibly can play any Android game on your computer. This is the button to download Three Kingdoms Overlord for PC. Here you go, BlueStacks installer.exe. Just press on this specific file now. In Windows 10, it will have asked us for permission, we enter yes and then accept. Now I minimize the browser so I can only concentrate on the installation software. We will set up the directory where to install this game. It is possible to select a custom directory by hitting Customize the installation. For now, we are not much concerned about customizing directory, however, we will head over to the Install Now button. It will only take a few MBs from the memory of your computer to download this file. Fast web connection will better aid downloading. The emulator will be installed on your computer then. Installation is finished now, and we're going to continue. It is the first time it will open BlueStacks, so it is going to make a few configuration settings, that it's only going to do now, the rest of the times it certainly can't take that long to launch. The next step is a must. To log in to Google Play, push on Sign In. Sign in to Google Play by providing your email as well as a password. You cannot continue to install the game without sign in because it is a Google Play game. This is the essential step, I am going to skip it. We are going to enter in the email as well as password in our Google account, and that's all. We have now logged in Google Play. To continue installation, we accept the terms by clicking I agree. We don't want to make the system backup, therefore, we will choose No. The device runs like a tablet or even a mobile phone. We accept it, and it will immediately head over to Google Play. Only click this specific arrow to exit the emulator and go to your computer's desktop. Just before carrying on, look into the two icons it has produced here, BlueStacks and also BlueStacks Multi-Instance. The first option is to start the BlueStacks app. It's the time to install Three Kingdoms Overlord on PC so that we can easily play this exciting game on a giant screen. We'll have to visit Google Play for the installation of this game. The installation of the Three Kingdoms Overlord begins, it downloads the game. In case you have fast internet access, then it is not going to take such a long time to download Three Kingdoms Overlord. To keep the length of the video short for you, I will skip this step and will be back later. After installing the game, the icon of Three Kingdoms Overlord has appeared on the computer's desktop, and hence we'll directly start Three Kingdoms Overlord. Launching the game on a laptop or computer is now super easy, only click this icon twice and there you have it. The double-clicking icon of the game from the desktop is one option to start Three Kingdoms Overlord, and yet another way is to start it via BlueStacks. Just click here to start Three Kingdoms Overlord and enjoy. Here's the keyboard setup if you wish to configure it. As we are not severe to change keyboard options and we will keep them as it is. To start with, I would like to tell you the two leading big screen solutions. By hitting here on the Maximize bar, the emulator will be increased. This specific option is just appropriate for those who need to get the big screen but not 100% full screen. Click F11 to have 100% full screen, then press the same key to go to normal mode. Like that, we are capable of playing in full screen without even anything from Windows disturbing us. If you have a powerful PC, then it will take better aid gaming in an emulator. You can also even alter the language of this game. To modify the language, choose this cogwheel, and hit on Preferences. This drop-down menu will show several languages out of which you can select any specific language. And that is converted. Anyway, this is the game installed. Quite simple. Do not forget to like the video and leave a comment, if any, we'll be happy to respond. Thank you, friends, for watching. I hope this video would be useful for those who have watched it thoroughly. Bye.